Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. During this video I want to give you an update because support.com, which I was talking about a week ago and explaining that this could go crazy about 2 weeks before their merger date, and that's today. And what happened? This stock just went up 100%. I was looking at this yesterday, but I was in the middle of doing a 2-series video on Archimoto, ticker symbol FUV, which is a very interesting company to look at. So if you haven't taken a look at that, go back and check that out. So here's why support.com is up more than 100% on Friday morning. So this is another meme stock. It's getting categorized with the rest of the meme stocks, GameStop and AMC Entertainment. So let's go through here and see what they have. So yeah, it's talking about the merger. I knew that that could be a catalyst for this. And here's the big paragraph that I think is the takeaway from this article. Earlier this year in March, support.com announced a reverse merger with its Greenidge Generation Holdings. The privately held company crowns itself as the United States' first Bitcoin transaction processor that's 100% carbon neutral. So that's been, in the headlines as far as making sure that we've got sustainable energy sources and that, they're not bad for the environment. So you could see this just absolutely took off. And I went and filtered for it today, and just the top two. I wanted to see, trading volume. That's how these take off. So it's over 30% as far as the float, short float, and 20 million. I went to the max. So this was at the time that I recorded this video, and you can see it here where I was talking about September 10th, and I did this video on August 14th talking about how to find these short interest stocks. I mean, I don't recommend chasing these, but my goodness. I also went over the transaction fees, and look, they're steadily increasing. So, it just gets more expensive for someone to get out of their short position. There's potential that this isn't finished running. So if you look at the chart today, up 123%. This took a little decline. It was half of that at 940. It lost some momentum and people piled back in on it. So that double dip, I always say wait for the double dip. If you're going to trade these explosive stocks as a day trade, but this is not a long-term recommendation, but I just wanted to make sure I got this update out. Absolutely insane. So let me know in the comments below if you picked this up in the $8 range. We are currently up 154%. This is crazy. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.